Morning students, I hope you all are doing well at your places and today we'll be studying about prepositions. देखिए prepositions क्या होते हैं, वो noun और pronoun की position बताते हैं एक sentence में, जैसे कि in, on, under, on, at, behind, still, ये सब क्या है etc. All these are prepositions. So let's just begin with this. So the title of our chapter is the preposition, right? You just look at the pictures and fill in the blanks with in, on and under, right? The rat is dash the table. अब rat कहाँ है? The rat is under the table. नीचे है. A cat is dash the table. A cat is on the table. A bird is dash its nest. A bird is in the nest. We just read and understand. The ball is in the box. Box के अंदर है, right? The ball is in front of the box. Ball कहाँ है? Box के front में. The ball is under the box. Box के अंदर है. The ball is beside the box. Box के एकदम side में है. The ball is on the box. Box के ऊपर है, right? So in these sentences, the words in, behind, in front of, besides, on, ये सब क्या करते हैं? It shows the relationship between ball and box, and that is why they are prepositions. इसलिए क्या है? Hence they are prepositions, right? And thus we can say the preposition tells the position of noun. की position बताते हैं. They always comes before noun और pronoun के हमेशा पहले आते हैं. A short recap. Preposition tells us the position of noun. Preposition come before noun and pronoun. Moving on to the exercise, we have to look at the pictures and take the correct form of preposition. So the fruits are dash the basket. Fruits kahan hai? The fruits are in the basket, right? A balloon is dash the table. A balloon is on the table. The mouse is dash the cord. The mouse is under the cord. Cord ke niche hai. The house is dash the temple. The house is near the temple, right? The boy is dash the wall. The boy is behind the wall, right? I hope you all understood about prepositions. There is one homework for all of you, that whatever textbooks you are going through, you are reading, please make sure that you will underline all the prepositions that come in between all the lines that you read. And please do revise the previous concept and study hard and stay blessed. Keep smiling and thank you.